This is a 1948 Wisconsin engine, AHH, 9.2 horsepower. I started building this when I was 14 years old. I'm now 71. I have two transmissions. This is out of a Willys car, about 19, I think about 48, something like that, or in the early mid 40s. There's a Chevy transmission out of a pickup truck, 4-speed, and I have a 58 Chevy air compressor on here. The 58 Chevys had air ride, and that's a compressor off of that. I engage it simply by doing this here, which controls my air ride seat, and also my air horn, which I don't have any air pressure up right now. Okay, here's the airbag for the air ride seat, and underneath here is a cut down Willys rear end also, which we had to cut it down and weld the axles back together. The tires are filled with fluid. It'll go about 35 miles an hour top speed, and the lowest gears are double reverse, and that goes forward. My lowest gear forward is double reverse. That's double reverse. That's my lowest gear forward. Then I got 1, 2, 3 speeds in reverse, and then if I put this in low gear, I actually have 1, 2, 3, 4 in reverse. I have 7 gears in reverse and 13 forward. I start out both of them in low, forward, shift this into second, shift that into third. This is your front transmission. Then the next gear I split shift. I pull this one back like this, and that back up into second, and then the next gear is this one. Then the next gear I split shift them this way, up into the third, then high third, low fourth. Now you're sailing. That's the highest gear. Cut. I have a hidden on-off switch underneath here, and then I have to turn the gas on here. And I have the clutch in there. It's in gear, but there's a clutch brake, so it will not go. It's like emergency brake, even though it's in gear. Like that, let's start. Engage air compressor.